Hello everybody, and welcome to this episode of G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And this is August 22nd, I think it is. Anyway, I shot a video yesterday and I tried uploading it and it wouldn't let me upload it for some reason. I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to make a real short video today and see if I can get that one to upload. So I'm sitting here in the van with the air conditioning on because it's a hot one out there. And I just got back from town. I picked up some things I need to make a new rack to hold the new solar panels. And I think my battery charger was shot because I put a kilowatt meter in between the plug and the generator, and it wasn't showing it doing anything. There was no amp draw and no watt draw, so I think it was shot. So I had to go buy a new one of those, and I've got that in here, and I got the new one with the computer built into it, so it monitors the battery, and it's good for all types of batteries, including deep cycles and lithiums and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna give that a shot here in a little while. I picked up some things from my neighbor and just texted him that it's here and he could come down and get it, and I'm gonna get some things put together. Also grabbed a few things at the grocery store, and gonna get that into the refrigerator here in a second. But like I said, I wanted to try a short video and see if it uploads, because I started uploading yesterday at about 4:30 in the afternoon, and it never did go past like 48 kilobyte or something, or 64 kilobyte or something like that. And then every time I checked it, all it would say is upload pending, whatever that means. Also, my friend Andy said that he got a question from YouTube asking him, did you like the content of my last video? Of course he said yeah, because he does like my content. I don't understand what the heck is going on here. But anybody else out there know what's going on with this? Let me know. It's not an internet connection problem, because I can do anything else on the internet, and I got my data. I can text, I can make phone calls, I can search the web, I can do everything, except I can't upload a video to YouTube. Alright, so this one's just going to be a 3-minute quickie, and I'm going to see if it goes up. So this is G-Bear signing off.